Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Google Maps into Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, to use Google Maps in Canva, you can use this official widget, which has been created by Canva themselves, and you can just search for it in the apps market, and once you find it, you can use it either in an existing or in a new design. So we'll just click use in a new design. So for example, let's say document, and let's allow it to auto size. And once this opens up, as you'll see, it'll create a new file, and over here it's gonna add the Google Maps app. As you can see, it's been added over here, and you can select whichever thing you would like. So for example, let's say the Great Wall of China, just click there and drag it over, and that is pretty much it. Now, as you can see here, at the top, you can edit the link for the specific location that you want to display. So in this case, it is for the Great Wall of China. However, you can click here and edit the link to whatever else you would like. Of course, you can use any other Canva options, such as adding comments, duplicating this element, deleting it, and you can also expand to full width, for example, and change it however you want. But that is pretty much it. So you have certain locations here, and from the locations you have the Colosseum, Machu Picchu, you have Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, Great Pyramids of Giza, Christ the Redeemer in Brazil, and Chichen Itza. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can just add this to any of your documents or to any of your projects on Canva, and that should make you set. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.